Have you ever seen a dual GPU system like this? Right here we have an RTX 3090, and in the rear over here we have an RTX 3080. Yes, they do work hand in hand together when editing in things like DaVinci Resolve. Gaming, no, doesn't really make a difference because there's no NVLink anymore between these two. But if you're using something like a 4K display for Star Citizen, put that on the 3090 and then put your other displays on the 3080. That gives the 3090 full maximum power for your Star Citizen gameplay.